Technoxian is a great opportunity for budding, ambitious minds interested in robotics. It builds students' interest and helps them innovate new and creative ideas. These projects engage youngsters and help them recognize their potential and passion.
Why do I want to be in robotics? In this competition of robotics, to be precise. Well, because I see robotics as future. This competition is going to make me a huge way. It's going to give me the fun time, it's going to give me the experience, it's going to teach me about everything about robotics that I need to know for the upcoming future.
A line follower robot, also known as LFR, is a robot that follows a line and does this using the principle of reflection of light. We all know that white surfaces reflect the maximum amount of light while black surfaces reflect the least amount of light. We have also made use of an H-bridge motor to drive our DC motors. The DC motors cannot be directly controlled by the Arduino Uno since they have high current requirements. The microcontroller of our project would be an Arduino Uno due to its simplicity and flexibility to work with other sensors.
We can make a simple line following robot faster by adding a QTR8 sensor instead of an IR sensor and providing enough power for the motors to run properly. The QTR8 sensor is a reflective sensor that provides better sensing than a normal IR sensor.